are gone, paint's all peeling, doors open. Feels like it could fall apart any second.
You're late.
Had to be sure I wasn't followed. Leave it. It's all there.
You came after all.
Like we agreed.
Let me see it.
Here.
Good. Stay quiet. The night carries sound.
Understood.
Hook's on. All right, bring her in slow. She's moving.
Working the filler into the scratch, keep the blade flat, let it ride over the rivets, feather the edge so there's no hard ridge. It's going to sand out smooth once it cures.
Lay it down smooth, keep the gun square, watch the flashlight, see that wave, that's wet, let it flow. The filler seam's gone, scratch line gone, little dent here, now it's just reflection. Blend the hatch edge, keep it light on the rudder hinge, even coat.
Panels lined up, let's close her up. Cabin spotless, screens light nice, wingtip, rudder, all clean, no rust left. She looks ready to fly.